In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your tax return using TurboTax Online. If you need a paper copy for your records to share with a tax professional or just to save a PDF version on your computer, TurboTax makes the process straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside TurboTax Online so you can quickly get to your return and print, save, or preview it. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax Online account and that you're on your tax return home screen or inside your return. Once you're there, look for the Tax Tools option. This is usually located in the left-hand menu area. Go ahead and click on Tax Tools. This section contains additional actions and utilities related to your return, and it's where you'll find the printing option. After you click Tax Tools, a menu will expand with more choices. From that list, select Print Center. The Print Center is the area designed specifically for viewing and exporting your return. If you don't immediately see it, give the menu a second to expand fully, and then choose Print Center from the available options. Once you're in the Print Center, look for the option labeled Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. Click on that option to move forward. This is the step that opens the version of your return that you can review before printing or save as a PDF if you'd rather keep a digital copy instead of printing right away. From there, TurboTax will prepare your return for viewing. Depending on your browser and settings, it may open a print preview screen or download a PDF file. If it opens in preview mode, you can use your browser's print controls to print the document. If it downloads as a PDF, open the file and then print it from your PDF viewer. Saving the PDF is also a good idea if you want a backup copy that's easy to store and access later. As a quick tip, before printing, double check that your printer is connected and has enough paper and ink. If you're only saving the file, choose a location on your computer that you'll remember, such as a tax documents folder. And that's it. To print your tax return in TurboTax Online, just open Tax Tools, go to Print Center and select Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. Once you reach that screen, you can print, save, or review your return with ease.